Okay, so now we can actually start designing the cart. First of all, we will be doing getting all the cart items. So cartware user underscore ID is user ID. And then return view cart items is cart. You still have to do get. So each item in cart where the user ID is the same as the logged in one will be shown. Okay. So now that's done, we can go over here. I like to just copy my old or already written layout. So we'll just follow the same principle. And instead of doing it, instead of this, we will just be rewriting this. So for each cart item, we can do a div full. Let's do like background, secondary, margin top, maybe 8, rounded XL. Let's do flex to actually split up the sections. So the first section is going to be the picture. Image source is going to be asset images slash item actually we have to make a relationship first between the two. So to be able to make a relationship between two tables, we use this piece of code. So we are referring to a product. What allows us to do is we can now, for example, do product and then the ID of the product, or we can do product and then name. So how this works is a cart has one product linked to it because we have multiple cart items for one cart. Each cart item has one product, so it has one product. In a product table, it's gonna look for the ID and match it with the product ID we have in cart. So if we do this, we should be able to see. We go to cart. It is not actually fetching user ID cart. So user ID. Okay. And this should be working. Are we logged in? Okay. Okay, so it is working. We just need to give it a height. Okay, and of course, this is why it wasn't working. .png. Yes. Okay, let's give it a padding of 2, or let's do 4. So now we can actually do a div and then a h1 with string item product. Okay. And let's do h2 a dollar sign, get it, price. Okay, let's do my auto, so it goes in the middle. Let's make a gap between it. Let's do like 10 maybe. Text exam, text font semi bold, text accent 2. Let's do this text large, font, actually no, text gray 400. Okay, I think that looks decent for now. Again, you can design it however you want. This is just for quick purposes. Just an example. So, which other data do we have? Category. We need category here. We can add it, I guess. So let's do maybe how do we want to incorporate category here? We could, for example, just put a product category. Okay, so now we can put the buttons. Cool. Let's see, let's just copy these buttons. Okay. Actually, we only really need one button right now. Like this, and then load, right? Not gonna work, probably because the flex. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't really matter right now. Okay, so to actually remove the item from the cart, we will be making a form. The form action is going to be the route cart delete. The ID parameter we need to actually find the item, product ID. Of course, we need a method. So the method here has to be post, and then as a Laravel, like in the Laravel function, the method function, we specify that it's gonna be a delete. And of course, don't forget the token. So now we can put this in here. Type submit. Okay. We have to add the route, of course. So the route's gonna be route the lead slash card slash ID card controller class destroy. Name is card lid. So in destroy we can now dd the ID to check if it works. So let's see. Click on it. It works. Okay. Now that's working. We can actually start deleting it. So we can do card where product underscore ID is string ID, and where user underscore ID is auth user ID. Delete. And then session flash success product remove from cart and return redirect back. So let's see if it works. Product has been removed. If we add a product now, add this one, cart, remove this one, and it works.